Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about how to solve multi-step equations. So it's just a quick review what we did today in our class. Okay, so I will just remove this one. Okay, so every time you are dealing with the multi-step equations, remember that you need to good chances that you will be combining the like terms. Okay, then addition and subtraction is involved, and a division is involved as well. Division or multiplication, addition or subtraction. Okay, so one more time, combining the like terms, addition or subtraction, and multiplication or division is part of the multi-step equations. There are multi-steps you need to perform in order to isolate the variable. Okay. Alright, so now first thing we are going to deal with combining the like terms. If there are, looking at that, are there any like terms? Yes, there are. So 7x and negative 3x. Is negative 8 same as negative 3x? No. Is negative 8 same as 24? Yes. I am not going to do everything in one line. We'll do one step at a time. Okay, so first we are going to add 7x and minus 3x, which will be 4x. Okay, I will rewrite everything that I did not really touch it. Okay, so one step at a time. Okay, now we did that. Okay, so now we already sorted out the left side. Now we need to isolate the variable. Okay, so before we do that, I need to move negative 8 to the other side of equal sign. Okay, so there are different ways to do it. Everybody does it differently. Okay, so remember that variables are on the left side and constant is on the right side. Okay, so I'm going to add 8 to both sides. 8 cancels with 8. What is left over? Okay, always remember one step at a time. 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay, so if you squish everything in one line, good chances you are going to make a mistake somewhere. So one step at a time. Now our goal is to isolate the variable. Okay, x has to be by itself. This is your end goal. Keep that in mind. I have to have an x by itself at the end. Okay, so now in order to have x by itself, this is 4 times x. So that means I need to do the inverse of multiplication. What is the inverse of multiplication? Is a division. So we are going to divide both sides by the number that is before x. Okay, whatever is that. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever is that, that is the number you are going to choose. Okay, so 4 cancels with 4. X is equal to 32 divided by 4. That is equal to 8. Alright, so now we are going to verify. Okay, don't always have a two thoughts. Oh my god, is my question right or not right? You can do it by yourself. Okay, to be 100% sure, you can verify it. When we verify, we take the value we just got, which is x equal 8. We take this value and plug that into our original equation, which is our equation we started at the very top. Okay, so I am going to rewrite my question: 7x minus 3x minus 8 equal 24. Okay, so wherever I see x, that's where I'm going to substitute. Both sides must be equal. Okay, so 7 times 3 times, I'm just going to put a bracket now because I'm going to choose a different color, equal 24. So this is where your 8 goes. Wherever is x, that's where you're going to replace it. Okay, so 7 times 8 is 56, minus 3 times 8 is 24, minus 8 equal 24. Okay, so what is 56 minus 24 is? Okay, 56 minus 24 is 32 minus 8 equal 24. What is 32 minus 8? Okay, that is equal to 24 equal 24. Are both sides are equal? Yes, so that means this is the correct answer. Okay. Verifying answer kind of give you more confidence, because then you are 100% sure that your answer is the right answer. All right, let's look into you try number 1. So what I would like you to do, pause the video for now, write down the question on a piece of paper and try to solve it. Okay? Okay. All right, so I will do this question. Hopefully you got the right answer. Let's see if your answer is the right answer. Okay, first step, combining the like terms. These two will be combined together. 8x minus 3x, that is equal to 5x minus 10 is equal to 20. Remember, one step at a time. Only change one thing and rest copy as it is. It helps you to see what you are doing. Okay. Sometimes I see student starting at the very top and jumping down to the answer. Okay. All right. So now I need to isolate x, but it's not the time yet. So first I need to add a 10 to both sides. This cancels out. Okay. We left with 5x equal 30. Okay. Need to find what x is. Basically, question is asking both sides are equal and it should be equal to 30. So 5 times what is this number that will give you 30. Okay. You can play around, think about, use a calculator. It gets complicated, right? Figuring that way. But what you can do, easy way to figure out, do the inverse of it. Okay. So now this is 5 times x. That means I'm going to divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 6. Okay. Right. So one thing I want to say to you, when you solve one step, two step, or multi-step equations, okay, first you should be adding or subtracting. Okay. Or maybe it's and subtracting. Okay. First one will be adding, subtracting. Then will be multiplying or dividing. For example, I'll do one two-step equation here. So it's a 2x plus 3 equal 14. Okay. So looking at that, sometimes I've seen students doing that, dividing all the terms by 2. No, it's not the time yet. First, you are going to deal with this 3. Okay, how do I do that? This is positive 3. You always do the inverse of that. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. This cancels out. I left with the 2x equal what? 11. Okay. Then I said multiplying or dividing. So now this is 2 times x. That means I'm going to, if I wanted to have x by itself, I need to do the inverse of it. I need to get rid of that 2. You just can't get rid of it. You need to do something. Okay. So dividing both sides by 2. This cancels out. X is equal to 11 divided by 2. You can leave it as it is. Convert that into decimal form. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I hope you guys understand how to do multi-step equations. If there's any question, you guys can always put that in the comment or email it to me. I will definitely do that for you. All right. I will see you tomorrow.